Hey, Dr. P here, and I was just thinking, yesterday I performed a revision, very difficult rotator cuff repair on a patient, and it just brought me back to 26 years ago. I had learned how to do an arthroscopic rotator cuff repair with my fellowship with Dr. Andrews, and I brought that back to the community that I came to. And at the time, I don't even think it was covered by insurance, or most insurances didn't cover it. I'm not even sure it had a code until 2003 or 4, an official code. And then I was also told that it was, I was crazy for doing it. It's not standard of care. You shouldn't be doing arthroscopic rotator cuff repairs. And now, it's standard of care, dime a dozen. And we're even doing, huge, massive revision repairs all arthroscopically. And frankly, I think it's easier to do something like that arthroscopically, and it went very well. And now we can add biologic patches. Like I added a Regeneratin patch, which is made out of collagen, actually from a cow. They purify it, but it acts like a scaffold, and the patient's own tendon cells will grow into it. And it's kind of like adding some biologic help, some topsoil, so to speak. If you have a rough patch of grass and it's not growing, if you add some topsoil, that's going to help because you need good soil. But then also what we do nowadays is we add bone marrow cells, because the cells do the work. That's kind of analogous to grass seed. You put the grass seed on the topsoil, and then we'll also add PRP, platelet rich plasma, which is it has growth factors, but that's kind of like the fertilizer. And we even use laser, which is like the sunlight. You can grow grass in the shade, but if there's a tree branch that's causing that grass to be shaded, and you cut that tree branch off and now the sun can get to the grass, it's going to grow better. And it's the same thing. Biology is biology. I like to use analogies. And so that's just kind of what I was thinking, how far we've come and evolved. And I think we can even prevent a lot of rotator cuff partial tears from becoming full thickness tears by improving the biology. So that's my 2 cents for the day.